What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. Thank you for tuning in. Bear with me. I'm filming this intro on my iPhone this morning. Working with that Mac. I'm trying to do stuff with my iPhone. It makes things a little easier switching them back and forth, but I'm still getting used to it, so y'all bear with me on that one. But I'm headed out. I'm going to do some sheephead fishing. I'm going to meet up with my buddy TJ. We're going to crush some sheephead. It's that time of year, and the bite has been good, so we're gonna get out. We're gonna see what we can do. I got some live fiddler crabs with me. You know, that's my beta choice. So hopefully that'll be what does it for me. But make sure, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now that hunting season's over, we are getting back into the fishing. There's gonna be a ton of fishing videos coming up. It's I got the itch. I got the itch to get back on the water. So we are gonna be doing tons of fishing. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you guys aren't subscribed up. Make sure you ring that little notification bell so you know when all my videos dropped. And make sure you shoot me the thumbs up for this video if you guys are glad that I'm back into the swing of fishing. Shoot me that thumbs up. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into it. I'm gonna quit hammering on. Y'all stick with it and let's see what happens. Need me some. I tell you what I really need though is some good redfish and trout action. Nope, I hadn't been doing anything but duck hunting for the past 2 months. I've done like 2 trips coming out here to catch a sheephead just to get something to eat. Here he is. Oh, bottom. There you go. I'm snake bit today.
It's still early.
And I've never tried there for him again. Oh, here he was. I thought I had bottom again.
I was wondering why you didn't set that in.
There you go. Oh, there he is. That one had drifted completely off the pilot. I didn't even know he had it. Here we go. Now we're on the board. It's gonna take them a minute. They're having a silent memorial down there for him right now. There it is. Get out of there. He's about the same size as that last one. Oh! 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 He came off and I scooped him. Oh. I'm going down with the mega crab this time. Alright, old jumbo crab.
I've got one fiddler in here. He's got a sure enough claw. You let him eat it for a minute. That's a good one.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a real good one. Oh yeah. That's what we're looking for. Nice. That's what we're looking for right there. I'm dumb. I knew that one was gonna happen. Had him lip hooked and I tried to boat flip it. Oh yeah. This might be a good one. I said this one might be a good one. Yeah. Oh yeah. Up. I got hemmed up in that dang. Oh. There he is. Oh, oh. This is a good one. Oh, this is a good one. Oh. Get up. Hey, he ain't even that big. He just got some fight to him. Dang it. What's going on here? He's all right. It's not huge. It had a lot more fight than it has body size. Well, as y'all can see, it turned out to be a pretty dang good day. It's we got on them. I think I ended up catching 4. I put 4 in the cooler. I should have had 5, but I was stupid and I tried to boat flip that one. I knew it was gonna happen too. As soon as I grabbed that line, I mentally told myself, I was like, this fish is gonna come off. So that was dumb. That was on me. But you know, it's good to get out there and catch them. I got me some dinner, and that's all I wanted. I told myself I wanted to catch 3, and I got my 3. I ended up keeping 4 because TJ, he's doing a fish fry for his folks there at work. So gave him 1, but I got my 3, and that'll be perfect for dinner. But it's nice. It's very nice to get out and get after them. But if you guys are interested in getting out and catching your own sheephead from a kayak, shoot me an email at kayaking.kennedy@gmail.com. Or check out fishingchaos.com. You can go ahead and you can go to Fishing Chaos and check all my availability, all my rates, everything. It's really a cool setup. It's got everything you need right in one spot. Super easy to use, super easy to book through. So y'all check out fishingchaos.com. check me out on there, and go ahead and book you a trip if you're interested in it. I'm sure y'all have noticed these slick new glasses I got me some of those Toro eyewears. So y'all be on the lookout. I'm gonna do a review that'll be coming in the next day or two. So y'all be looking for that. But I appreciate you guys tuning in. Like I said, I always say I appreciate all the support. I appreciate you guys watching all my videos. If you guys enjoyed today's video today, make sure you shoot that thumbs up. Drop me a comment below. What is your favorite type of inshore fish to catch? What do you guys want to see in my next video? Been doing a lot of sheephead, but I'm probably going to do some red fishing and stuff. So whichever category wins the favorite fish, I will go do that in my next video. So y'all drop a comment below. But I'm going to quit hammering on. I'm going to quit jibber jabbering. I'm going to get out of here. Y'all appreciate you guys tuning in, and I will catch y'all on the next one.